Good evening and welcome you back, students, for revision and examination oriented question answer sessions. We have been discussing various important reactions of the organic chemistry, students. And I have already said that mechanism is important, that we must learn the mechanism of some of the reactions. And we were already talking about some important questions of amines, student. Can you tell me what test can be done to distinguish, student? Test to distinguish 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amines, student. What is the test? Important test.
Uh, this is Hinsberg reagent test.
Hinsberg. What is the Hinsberg reagent, student?
Benzene sulfonyl chloride.
Such questions have been asked many times in the paper, student. There will be at least 1 to 2 questions for distinguishing. What is carbylamine test, student?
Sir, carbylamine test is used as a test for primary amines.
What type of primary amines?
Uh, Aliphatic primary amines. Aliphatic and aromatic.
Be careful because certain tests are given by aliphatic and some tests are given by both aromatic and aliphatic. Our purpose is, student, pay attention to each and every word and each and every line, as because of the fact that there are so much course, student, and there would be some doubt in our mind in answering questions, choices, reasoning, asserting, all these type of questions, student. Certain reactions are important and they are likely to be asked, student. Therefore, we should keep a track of them and keep on revising and repeating them, student. Keep on revising and repeating them. This is an important point, student. And certain reactions are going to be there in exam in one or the other form, student. And sometimes they will ask you to write certain major products in certain reactions. For example, they will ask you question like this, student, and they will ask you convert aniline into parabromo aniline. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have 1 minute to answer the question, student. 1 minute to answer the question. Question, answer, question, answer. What is the product of the first case, students?
Sir, in first case, the product will be 2,4,6 tribromoaniline.
This question was given 2 years back in the paper. Now here, what we will do, students?
Sir, we will first protect this NH2 group by treating with acetic anhydride.
Now this is a very important point. I want to tell you. Such a question is usually going to be there. Protection of NH2 group means you will try to decrease the activity of the NH2 group. This group is very strongly activating. Decrease activity, power of the NH2 group, student. What happens if I have acetic anhydride, student? This is what you get.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what will happen? What is the role of this? Why we did that, student? There's some base also added in this case.
Pyridine.
Because there's a lone pair of electron, student, it is basic, and if acids can attach with it. What is happening here, student? Can you see what is happening? What is the result of this? What has happened? You can see the result of this, student. This is the story. This question was asked, student, when we add acetic anhydride in aniline, why it deactivates the nitrogen?
Okay.
Question is not always what we are giving you. There is something inside that also question. There is a box. In the box, so many things are there. Open the box and see what is happening. Now you have seen what is happening to the lone pair of electron.
Yes, sir.
The lone pair of electron is not in the nitrogen, student. Here, this is a lone pair. Now this lone pair is gone. Where it is gone? This group. Therefore, the availability of lone pair electron not there. Therefore, student, what will happen? The activation which was there has been decreased. There is a resonance between these two structures.
Yes, sir.
There is some amount here, but then it is also delocalized. Wherever such a charge delocalization, lone pair of electron is going to the oxygen side. Therefore, student, this will call, activity of this NH2 group will be decreased a lot, student. And when you will do the bromination now in the presence of an acid, what will happen, student? You are getting NHCOCH3 as a major product, student. ठीक है? You know major and minor product. I've been
Yes,
talking a
sir.
lot about all these. And then what will happen, student? Then we have to revert back. What you can do? You want and you will add acid or alkali, and this will give you back, student, an H2. Important type of reaction. So such things are important. In the case of benzaldehyde also, we have been showing you these type of reactions. You have seen there.
Yes, sir.
And it is expected that such questions are likely to be there, student. And last year, the question was convert aniline into para nitroaniline. You have only 1 minute to answer the question, students.
Aniline to para nitroaniline. Sir, first we will do the first step same, that is protect the NH2 group by acetic anhydride and pyridine.
Hmm.
And then we'll carry out nitration by HNO3 H2SO4 at 288 Kelvin.
Okay. There was a question of write the products of this reaction, students.
Okay. H2SO4. So it will form a mixture of para-nitroaniline, meta-nitroaniline, and ortho-nitroaniline.
That is important point. Question was why? Why? A question was given why it forms meta also. Always talked of the, I have always said students that we should be very clear about the mechanism of the reactions. We have uploaded the mechanism of these reactions a lot. Student, be careful. They are important questions. Student, important questions.
So because in this anilinium ion will be formed as an intermediate which will be meta-directing.
There is a H plus ion. Student, this is a base, and this is acid. So what will happen then?
NH3 plus.
So what is this called? Anilinium ion.
Anilinium ion.
Now this group is what electron withdrawing because there is a positive charge on the nitrogen. Therefore, what will be the result of that? It will be meta directing.
Meta-directing.
Yes. Questions are put in a different way, students. So we have to be careful. We have to do some brain exercise. Thinking is required, student. No question be answered without thinking. Wherever there are possibilities, we are again and again talking with you students that these are the points, and very, very important points are there, students, where this is a very important chapter and there could be variety of the questions, students. What is this known as, students?
This is a disonium salt.
Hmm.
A Sandmeyer reaction.
You have to write the products of these reactions,
Okay.
student. These are some of the very famous reaction, very famous reaction we have written, student. What are the products of these reactions, students? Invariably, one of the possible reaction could be asked in the paper.
First will be chlorobenzene.
What is the name of this reaction? What is the name of this reaction?
Uh,
What is the name of this reaction and what is products are same, student? What is the difference between these two reactions, student? Sandmeyer.
Sandmeyer.
And what is this reaction known as, student? Gatterman.
Gatterman reaction.
So you can see slight differences in them, student. Copper, and here sometimes they have Cu2Cl2, Cu2, cuprous bromide, student.
Okay.
And you can form idobenzene, student. What you will form here, student? This is
Here will be A will be
and two.
benzene N2 plus and BF4 minus.
What happens then on heating?
On heating, it will form fluorobenzene.
Fluorobenzene. What happens here?
It will form benzene, H3PO2 benzene.
So you can prepare benzene from aniline, student. In the conversion reaction, they can ask you such questions, students. You can prepare phenol, student.
Phenol, yes sir.
Important conversion reactions are important, and in this reaction, student, what is happening?
First C will be AR, N2 plus, BF4 minus, and then nitrobenzene.
This is important. This question has been asked many times. Important question, student. There is something called diazo coupling reaction. One of the two reaction has been asked in the paper, student. Coupling. Why they are important? Because they form highly colored compound, student. Colored dyes. One is an orange dye, student. Very famous orange dye. Other is a yellow dye.
Okay.
Yellow. Out of the two, one has been asked many times. Repeatedly, either of these reactions is given in the paper, student. Azo. What they are called, student? So what do you get? Azo compounds. You have N double bond N type of things. Azo. So what happens when you react benzene diazonium chloride? This is your benzene diazonium chloride, students, and you will react this with, this is my phenol, students. Interesting. And here I am showing H because this is the story here. This is going to go. This is going to go, student. And the result of this is, student, N double bond N double bond N, and you have, you can see that these systems are highly conjugated system. And these highly conjugated systems are highly colored. Is a dye, student. Dye. This is a para-hydroxyazobenzene. This is called orange dye. And this can be used as a test also. So if you want to test phenol, student, you can use this azo dye test.
Okay.
Orange dye, orange, phenol will form orange dye, phenol. This is my phenol. O is there, orange. And if I use amine, student, amine, what will be the color of that dye, student? Amine. So if you use amine, student, sometimes beta naphthol is also used. They also form highly colored complex with this. Very important. I am saying one of the possibility of this being asked in the paper is very high. If you want to see the mechanism, we have uploaded that already in the YouTube, students. You can see
Yes, sir.
this H will go. So it will form, student, yellow dye. Very brilliant colors are
Okay.
there.
Okay, sir.
Orange, highly colored dyes are formed, student, orange. Orange dye will be formed when you add phenol, para-hydroxyazobenzene, para-aminobenzene will be yellow dye.
Yellow dye.
So this becomes a test, student. If you have aniline, you can test for it. Phenol and aniline, you can test for these two by these tests. If a question is put up to distinguish phenol and aniline, you can perform azo dye test. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
O is there, orange. Orange.
Okay.
And then this is yellow. Yellow. So we can distinguish the two by these tests. This reaction put up many times in the paper, student, because diazonium salts are very important. And one of the question is this chart contains at least one question in the paper.
Okay, sir.
Contains at least one. So I say that why we are doing all this? You know, between you and me, student, what is the story? We revise the things, we do the practice, and we try to create many questions out of one question. It is not that a paper is like this, okay, this. He may ask anything in this. So it become test also, and how the reaction takes place. If a direct reaction is asked, then we will give it. If a product is asked,
Okay.
student, we will give the product. The choices are so many. But I'm trying to say, student, the same reaction can be asked in many ways. And students who will mug up the things will be in real trouble. Students who will learn, practice, and write. Organic chemistry has to be written, student. That's the point. Here I can't do anything. Objective type question, no issue. I have to make one choice. But those who are making guesses, the marks are also guesses. Those who
Yes,
are
sir.
specific, clear, clarity, they get full marks. And one or two students are telling, sir, we can guess in the objective type. Then I say the marks are also like guesses because you are not going to get marks. Forget about that. Other this is a board paper. Then tomorrow you're going for competition. There's zero guess. Nothing like that. Okay. Now the question is on the screen, student. Question is coming. Write the product, students, in this reaction. You have to write the product, student. In this case, what will be the product? You have 1 minute to answer the question, students. Whatever we have learned, student, now the reactions are coming. What is happening here? What is A?
Sir, A will be NO2 will be reduced to NH2.
Reducing agent. Tin HCl is a reducing agent. You are so familiar with it, students.
Yes, sir.
Tin and HCl, you already know, student, what it gives. Hydrogen is there, student, as a reducing agent. Reducing agent is there, then what will happen, student, to A? What this group does, student?
This will be
Acetylation.
yes, sir. COCH3.
What will happen? Now, what will happen, student?
Bromination will take place.
Where bromine will come, student?
Uh, at ortho position.
This group is what type of directing, student? Okay. So this is how we have to be able to write the reaction, student. Write the reaction. Write
Okay,
the
sir.
reaction. The major product of the reaction between meta dinitrobenzene with NH4 is, you have four choices, student. Where is that? Meta, ortho meta. What is the product going to be, students?
Metadinitrobenzene with NH4 HS. In this, it will be one NH2 will be replaced by NO2. One this one NO2 will be NH2.
What is that?
Yes, sir.
What is the correct answer here? A, B,
This will
C.
be metanitroaniline. C.
Okay. Next question is on the screen, students. How many steps are given? 5 steps. Then S and then 4 steps. You have to be write all the steps, students. All the steps. This is our first is
Uh,
a acetic anhydride. What it does?
Acetic anhydride. So it will be NHCOCH3. NH2 group will become. Then bromination.
Bromination. Where the bromine is going to come, student?
At this will be at para position.
This is meta directing. Nitro group is also there.
अच्छा हाँ नाइट्रो ग्रुप भी है यस सर मेटा डायरेक्टिंग
Then third H3O plus
hydrolysis so it will form NH2
and H2. What happened then, students?
then it will form disonium salt.
What is the next thing? Hydronium. Fourth and NO2 HCl. What is the product? N triple one
It
plus
will form disonium salt.
Cl minus students. Benzene disonium chloride NO2. Br student. What happens then?
Sir then benzene will form with ethanol and heating.
This is out.
Yes sir.
Then what is left?
NO2 and Br.
That is our S.
Yes sir.
How many steps were there? 4 and 5. What happens now, students?
NO2 group will now reduce.
Tin HCl. Tin HCl. NO2 group is reduced, student. Let me put it like this: NH2. And this is at which position? This position. Okay. What happens now?
Then it is Br2H2O excess. So again bromination will take place.
Bromination will take place, student. NaNO2 bromination. Where the bromination is coming? Excess.
Yes sir.
So what will happen? Where the bromine will come?
Uh, it will now come at ortho and para positions.
Ortho and para. Okay. What happens then?
Then
This was one. This
again disonium salt will be formed.
two
NH2 group will form.
and three. And NO2 HCl. What you are getting? N plus Cl minus. How many bromines are there? 1, 2,
4.
3, and 4. Okay. What is happening now? Fourth step. H3PO2. What it will do?
This disonium group will go out.
This is like what is the name of this? Inorganic chemistry, we have done it, student. What is this called? Phos. What was that? Phosphinic acid.
Phosphenic acid. Okay.
What was the result of this? It was a reducing agent.
Reducing agent.
Why it was a reducing agent, student? In this case, how did we show? So it had two pH bonds. They acted as a reducing agent, student. strong reducing agent. We studied that in the inorganic chemistry, students. Okay, done it.
Sir, 2 minutes. Let me just note this whole thing.
Okay.
Just 2 minutes. Yes, sir, done.
An organic compound C7H9N forms clear solution when dissolved in KOH after reacting with C6H5SO2C. A on diazotization at 0 degree, then reaction with beta naphthol gives orange red dye. A on electrophilic substitution gives single product A. Is what is A, student? What test is talking about? Which test is this?
This is Hinsberg test.
What type of amine it is? Hinsberg test is given by amine. Which amine is he talking about? 1 degree, 2 degree?
It will be 1 degree amine.
1 degree amine. So first clue is there. Second, he is talking of a reaction, diazotization.
Yes, sir.
So what type of amine is this? Diazonium salt is being formed.
Diazonium salt.
So what
Aromatic.
type of amine is this?
Aromatic.
Aromatic primary amine.
Aromatic primary amine.
Number 2 point. Then what is the aromatic primary amine then? Formula, molecular formula is what? C7H9N. So further he is saying reaction with beta naphthol, or this is a dye test. I just told you dyes with phenol, with aniline.
Yes, sir.
And now this dye is being formed with a beta naphthol, student. Beta naphthol also gives a dye test. Let me put it like this. Beta naphthol. Alpha, this is beta. Beta naphthol. So dyes will be formed by the diazonium salt. Then what should be the formula now? So that dye can be formed, student.
Sir, it should be this.
How many? 4 methyl aniline.
4 methyl aniline.
4 methyl aniline, student. Then this will give a orange red dye. Orange red dye. The answer is A. Okay. What we are trying to say that questions, when the questions are put up, student, they can ask any part of this question. So
Okay.
whatever actions we have learned, student, we have to use them. We have to use them. Okay. So the answer is 4 methyl aniline, student, NH2. 4 methyl aniline. Okay. Next question, students.
This will form पहले तो NaOH है तो N minus Na plus फिर Br2 KOH CH3CO minus CH3CO.
What is the final product, students? What reaction is this? What is the name of this reaction? You already know, student. What is the name of this reaction?
This is bromine ना तो Hoffman bromamide degradation.
Hoffman's bromamide degradation. What is the product then?
It will be this amine कौन सा amine है ये CH3 NH2 CH2 COH.
What is the name? These are amino acids. Amino acids, student. Amino acids. This is a beta alanine. What we discussed during the amino acids, students. Next question is coming, student. The reaction of paratoluidine with chloroform and KOH gives.
पैराटोल्यूडीन मतलब ये NH2 और CH3 पैरा पे Uh, ये amine ही है. This is carbyl amine reaction. It will give isocyanide.
Carbylamine test. You are away from the student and triple bond C. What type of order is this? Foul smell. This part test for 1 degree aliphatic
1 degree
and
amines. Aromatic amines.
aromatic.
Both.
Important test student have been asked many times. The paper in a different way. The choices are always to the examiner, how he sets up the paper, but reactions and the course is same. Next question is on the screen. Student, this product is given, you have to go back. This is alcohol, nitrous acid. What should be reacted with the nitrous acid so that you get alcohol, students?
Aliphatic amines.
Then what will be that amine?
CH3, CH2, NH2.
Reduction, what should be reduced to get this, student? Reduction.
NO2, it will be NO2. NH2 group will नहीं reduction अच्छा नहीं NH2 का CH3 CH2 NH2 CH3 CH2 यहाँ पे NO2 CN CH2 CN हाँ okay.
There could be other reducing agents also, students, we can use them. The reactions could be asked in a different way, student, different way, no problem. There is a choice is with the examiner, student. Next question on the screen, students.
Two bromopropane alcoholic AgCN heat LiLH4Y. Two bromopropane CH3 CH bromopropane और अल्कोहलिक AgCN तो CH3 CH CH3NC और फिर LiAlH4 CH3 CH CH3NH2. Yes sir, done.
What is the product? 2 bromopropane 1 2 bromopropane.
2 bromopropane. With AgCN.
What will happen with AgCN?
Bromine will be replaced by NC group.
What type of group is, you have, there are two things, AgCN and KCN. What the AgCN gives?
NC.
Then what is the final product?
Then NH2 group will be there, it will reduce.
What will you get, students?
CH3, CH, NH2, CH3.
Where is NH2?
NHCH3, yes sir.
Okay. What type of group is this? What type of amine is this?
It is a second degree amine.
Okay. Next question is coming on the screen. Among these, the electronegativity in the order, student, electronegativity in the order.
CH3 whole thing. Hmm.
First, we should be able to write the structures of this. Then answer may come, student. What we are saying.
Yes, sir.
CH3, CH3, CH3. One. This is already there. This nitrogen. And what is this? CH3, C triple bond N students. What is the hybridization of nitrogen? What is this? sp,
SP,
sp2,
SP2
sp,
or SP3.
which is most
It's
electronegative?
this CN, CH3CN.
sp, sp2, sp3. Because s character is more here. S character, S is the orbital which is closest to the nucleus, students. Then more the s character. Then what happens? Then will be the most electronegative. This order will be like this. Okay. Next question on the screen is coming, students. The best reagent for converting to phenyl propanamide to phenyl propanamine is to phenyl.
Okay, my mind. This will be third option, I2 in P4.
This one, oh, CH3, CH2. This is amide group. You are converting it
Yes,
to
sir.
CH2 group. This you want CH2 group, student. Then what is the best one? You can't do this. This is not. This will decrease the number of carbon. This is not there. This is not there.
Yes, sir.
Then lithium aluminum hydride, we already know the good reducing agent. This will be able to reduce it. Lithium aluminum hydride. Which one of the following can be prepared by Gabriel Thaliamide synthesis? Student, Gabriel Thaliamide synthesis. Now, what is the Gabriel Thaliamide synthesis? Very important. We have given you the complete reactions of that Gabriel Thaliamide reaction. Student,
Yes, sir.
what is Gabriel Thaliamide reaction? What
This
is
can be
Gabriel Thaliamide?
benzylamine.
CO.
Benzylamine can be prepared.
What do we react here with RX?
RX.
But it cannot be aromatic. And what type of products you get? It is used for, this reaction is used for the synthesis of what type of amines?
Uh, Primary amines.
1 degree. Primary amines. And it should be aliphatic.
Yes, sir.
AR, NH2, no. We already told you important point. Then what choice could be there? No. No. And
Benzylamine could be there.
this is 2 degree. No. What is the formula of benzyl
Benzylamine.
student?
CH2NH2.
So if I will use this, then I will use what? Alkyl halide, benzyl chloride. Then it will be able to produce, this bond can be broken. This is
Yes, sir.
your sp3 hybridized bond. So what you can see, students, that different type of reactions are there. Before, without thinking, no answer can be given. We have to think before we answer any question. This is an important point, students. Different type of questions will be put up in terms of the complete the reactions, or we can ask you test to distinguish. Usually tests are asked to distinguish student. They are very, very important. And what we have shown you, that certain questions are very important, especially the type of question which I told you, student. The dye test is very, very important. Many times there will be a question on that. And Sandmeyer and Gatterman reactions, we have told you, they are very useful for synthesis of different type of product, students. Distinguishing test will be there, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. So these are some of the important questions which would be there. And basicity of the amines, we already told you, is a favorite question in the paper, where we have told you
Yes, sir.
in the NCRT book itself, you have seen a very favorite question is there in the paper. Student, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3, 1. And one case I use methyl, in other case I use ethyl. And there is
Ethyl.
not one factor for the basicity in aqueous in solution. In gas, there is no problem. But when it puts in, when you put amines in water, then what happens, student? You have seen in, there is not one factor, there are many factors. They get hydrated, they form hydrogen bonds. So the order is decided by many factors, and then experimental values are given because more than one factor is there. But how do we know? Certain things we have to remember. Certain things should be remembered for the exam, and we should use NCRT book for that purpose. Our course is based on NCRT, therefore we are expecting questions from that book. Based on that book, I mean, there could be some variation, that's all. Got my point? So whatever values are given there, student, that each and every value should be in our mind. One factor I can easily predict the basicity. If more than one factor, then experimental I rely. What is the experimental results? On that basis, then I may have to do some memory part. I may have to do some memory part, students, so you understand that. Therefore, we will continue more on these question answer sessions in our next class. So then I will see you in the next class. I thank you for being able to answer almost all the questions which we have put up. And our purpose is to give you sufficient practice. You are not going to get very big questions, long questions, but a part of that could be there. Part of the question. Got my point? So if we know how to
Yes,
do
sir.
reactions, we will be able to answer. So we'll try to expose you as many variety of questions as possible. Okay, then good night. I will see you in the next class.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.